Happy Halloween! Who's excited and already crafting? I'm excited for another episode of Crafternoon with Testers. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to take foam board and create the perfect front door sign. We're going to be using some of my favorite Testers acrylic paint, as well as the aerosol Testers color shift, which is going to add a really cool effect. And we're also going to be using our metallic paint pens from Testers. All right, in addition to those supplies, you're going to need 2 large sheets of foam board. So this is the foam core board you can pick up at any craft store. You're going to need 2 of the big sheets for it. You're also going to need a box cutter. Make sure that you've got one that's really sharp and cuts precise lines. You're also going to need some paintbrushes, a hot glue gun or industrial glue, scissors, and then some Halloween fluff. All right, let's get started. Step 1 for this project, you're going to want to download and print the free templates I created for you. So once you download each template, I've created one for each piece of the witch's hat and the design we're using, you're going to lay them out on a table. So I've numbered them for you to make it easy. Tape them together, cut it out, and you're going to lay that on your piece of foam board, trace it, and then cut out your shape. So I've got the hat here, and then you can see what it looks like once it's cut out. Go ahead and do that for the hat, the brim, the moon, the broom, and the bat, and that little cute buckle that's gonna go on the witch's hat. I laid out all my pieces on the table. I'm going to paint my hat and my brim black as well as the bat. I'm gonna paint my moon gold, my buckle purple, and then I'm gonna have some fun with doing some texture and different colors on my broom. Now that all of our pieces are painted, I went ahead and removed everything but the base of the hat and the brim because we're gonna spray it with Testers Color Shift. It's gonna give us a really cool effect. There's a couple different things to know before you get started. When you're using the Color Shift, you wanna make sure that you do paint a base coat. It suggests black, but you can experiment with other colors. You also wanna make sure that you read the safety instructions. You either wanna do it outdoors or in a well-ventilated room like we're in. Make sure that you use a mask and that you vigorously shake the can. And you want to spray it 12 to 14 inches away from the project and do a light coat and then come back with a second light coat a few minutes later. I'm going to add a glitter finish to the moon and the buckle by using the Glitter Burst Gold Rush, which is an iridescent gold glitter. All of my pieces are dry, and how cool does the color shift look on the hat? I love how you see green, then black, and it's just so metallic and fun. All right, so before I glue my pieces together, I'm gonna use my metallic finish leafing pen, and I'm going to add some accents. So I've got my silver one here, and I'm gonna give my bat some eyes. I'm gonna use the gold over here on my broom. All right, now it's time to glue all the pieces together, and then we're gonna decorate it with all of my fun Halloween fluff that I've got. My last step was to glue on a piece of twine so I can either hang it on my front door or on a wall inside. Keep in mind if you do hang it on your front door and it's exposed to the elements, you wanna put a sealant on it. But I don't know about you, but how cute is this sign? And the color shift just adds another cool factor that's maybe even a little spooky. All right, that's all I've got for you here today on Crafternoons with Testers. Stay tuned because I've got projects coming out every month that you are gonna wanna make. Happy Halloween, bye guys.